The Campbell Law team is representing the Ruggiero family in their claims against Alabama Termite and Pest Control. They provide service in the heart of the Deep South, where government regulators say termite infestation is the worst. Alabama regulators also found that Alabama Termite and Pest Control doesn't do proper termite treatments as a matter of routine. So did world-renowned expert Paul Bello. Paul Bello looked through a crack into an inaccessible crawl space and found massive damage. When it was opened up, what was inside was horrifying. The voice you hear is our client's.
God, they're everywhere.
Termites were teeming in this crawl space. They were literally all over the house. And we also learned something when we filed a lawsuit. The company was faking records in their file, saying things in the company file that they didn't tell the customers. But sometimes putting your hand on that Bible makes a world of difference. And Charles DeVore, the former owner of the company, admitted they just didn't do proper termite treatments as a matter of routine at Alabama Termite and Pest Control. And the consequences of that were devastating for the Ruggieros. When we opened up part of their walls, what we found was no damage at the very bottom of this 2x4, but as you went up the 2x4, the termite damage became massive, all the way to the top sill, the structural support for the second floor of his home, where his children slept. Damage was already discovered in 3 out of 4 walls of his house, but the company won't pay. You can literally tear the 2x4s out of the walls in this house with your bare hands. You don't need a hammer. You don't need a crowbar. All you need is some fear and some desire to find the evidence you need to prove your case. We look forward to continuing to represent this family. If we can help you, call us at Campbell Law. That's what we're here for.